Today I'm going to be talking about 3 benefits of a good monitoring system during a hurricane. Hey, this is Benjamin with DPS Telecom. Welcome back. A hurricane and any other sort of natural disaster is definitely something that will put your monitoring system to the test. Today I'm going over 3 benefits of a good monitoring system that will help you protect your network. So for our first tip, you need to maintain your network and monitor your preparation. This includes tasks that are obviously not going to be able to be done when the hurricane is happening just because your site isn't accessible. This can be refilling your generators, inspecting your batteries, or just making sure all your equipment there is up and running before the actual hurricane hits. So for our second tip, you need to be able to track failures during the actual hurricane. This goes back to having a good, adequate monitoring system that will allow you to see what's currently broken down and what's running out. This will also allow you to send out teams immediately once it's safe to the higher prioritized sites. So for our third tip, you need to be able to use your monitoring system as a recovery guide. Live data is the key here. Knowing what sites are currently needing to be repaired and what sites currently need to be refueled versus others is going to allow you to get your network up and running as it was before. So maybe you have some sites that could possibly be hit with the hurricane and are wondering what to do next. Well, definitely feel free to reach out to us and I'll be glad to help you design a system that will help you prepare for just that. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, thanks for watching.